there! Ever wondered why two people can earn the same amount of money, but one ends up rich while the other stays broke? It's not just about what's in your wallet, it's about what's in your mind. Money isn't just math, it's emotion. Your thoughts, your fears, your habits. They all shape how money flows in and out of your life. I'm your mini money mentor, and today we're diving deep into the psychology of money. Let's learn how your brain decides what to save, what to spend, and why it sometimes makes money moves that don't make sense. Let's start with this truth. Money isn't logical, it's emotional. When you buy that shiny new phone, it's not really about the phone. It's about how it makes you feel, confident, cool, and maybe even admired. Most of our spending isn't about what we need. It's about how we want to feel. That's why marketing works so well. Brands don't sell products, they sell emotions. So if you've ever asked yourself, why can't I stop spending? The answer is simple. Your heart hits buy now before your brain even joins the conversation. Now let's talk about dopamine, your brain's little feel-good button. Every time you get paid or see that order confirmed message, your brain releases dopamine, and you feel awesome. That feeling, it's addictive. That's why online shopping can feel like therapy. You're not buying stuff. You're buying happiness, even if it only lasts a few minutes. But here's the trap. You start chasing the feeling, not the result. Instead of asking, will this make me richer? Your brain asks, will this make me happy right now? Wealthy thinkers do it differently. They train their brains to chase long-term peace, not short-term pleasure. Let's switch gears, because the opposite of pleasure is fear. Why do some people hoard every penny, while others spend it all the moment they get it? It's because of something called scarcity mindset. If you grew up feeling like there was never enough money, food, or safety, your brain learned to see money as survival. So you either hold on to it too tight or spend it fast before it disappears. Either way, fear is running the show, and fear makes terrible financial decisions. If you want to master money, you first have to understand your fear and then rewrite your money story. Here's something powerful. Your money habits didn't start when you got your first job. They started when you were little. Maybe you heard things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or we can't afford that, or rich people are greedy. Those words became beliefs, and those beliefs became behaviors. If you grew up believing money causes stress, you might avoid it as an adult. If you think wealth makes people selfish, you might sabotage your own success. But here's the truth. Money isn't good or bad. It's just a tool. It amplifies who you already are. When you change your money story, you change your entire future. So, what's the difference between a poor mindset and a wealthy one? The poor mindset says, how can I get more money? The wealthy mindset says, how can my money get more money? It's not about working harder. It's about thinking smarter. While some people spend to look rich, others invest to become rich. Wealthy thinkers don't chase money. They build systems. They automate savings, invest early, and focus on learning skills that pay forever. You don't need $1 million to think like a millionaire. You just need to think long-term. So, how do you rewire your brain for financial success? Let's keep it simple. There are 3 steps. Step 1, awareness. Pay attention to what triggers your spending. Is it boredom, stress, excitement? Once you name it, you can control it. Step 2. Delay. Before you buy something impulsively, wait 24 hours. When the dopamine fades, logic comes back. Step 3. Invest. Even $1 a day is progress. It trains your brain to see money as a seed, something to grow, not waste. Remember, consistency beats intensity. It's not about one big move. It's about small, smart choices repeated daily. Money isn't just about IQ, it's about EQ. Your emotional intelligence shapes your financial destiny. The people who win with money aren't always the smartest. They're the most self-aware. So the next time you blame money for your problems, remember, it's not your money. It's your mindset. When you fix your mind, your money will follow. Now that you understand how your money thinks, it's time to make it work for you. In our next video, I'll show you 5 side hustles you can start with $0. No capital, no excuses, just creativity and consistency. So hit that subscribe button and let's grow your money. One baby step at a time. Thanks for watching. See you soon.